I have always admired beautiful orchard gardens and I've always wanted one of my own. So I've slowly been building up my collection of fruit trees so I can do just that. But my land is quite sloped and I get a lot of high wind. So I always make sure to stake my trees in the first few months of their establishment. There are a few different techniques to staking your trees. The most common way is to use one stake and drive it into the ground alongside the tree's trunk. This works really well if the plant is already secure. When it comes to tying your trees, you have a few options. There is this interlocking chain tie, which is a quick and easy way to support the trees as the tie simply pulls itself and twists into a locking position. Or you can use these twist ties. They are really good as the plastic has a wire inside and it will hold its shape. Another option is to use two garden stakes and you drive them into the soil either side of the tree's trunk. And then you can use something like this. This is the Enviro tie. It's soft and strong and it's 100% biodegradable. And the great thing about this, it won't cause any damage to the tree's trunk. Making a figure-8 pattern, work your way from both the stakes to secure the tree. This works great if your garden is exposed to high winds. For newly planted trees, it's a good idea to keep them staked and supported for the first 12 months, and there's a lot of different garden ties that can help you achieve this. If you live in a slightly windier area, keeping them staked for a bit longer won't hurt the tree. If anything, it will help them have a lot stronger roots and grow a lot better.